Hey guys, here's a 1970 Chevy Nova SS Coupe by Maisto. It's in a light blue metallic color, very detailed. Features chrome mag wheels. Got an SS on them. Opening front doors, opening hood, under the hood. You have the detailed, what is that? Can't see it. 386, 396 turbojet engine. Trunk. In a trunk you have the 9-volt battery. I've installed working lights in this car. I'm the only one doing these cars with lights, so you'll not find that one anywhere else but right here from eBay. On and off switch right here. Turn the lights on, so you have the soft headlights and amber lights on the bottom, just like the real car would have had back in the 70s. Lit up interior, so you can see the interior a little bit better. And you have the working tail lights. Again, this is the lights exactly the car would have had back in the days. Be up on eBay. eBay name is 6877 Mercedes. Please ask all questions before you bid. It does come with its box, so we'll pack for safe delivery. Thank you very much, guys, for all your support for the last 20 years. And I hope to be around for 20 more years, but God willing, we'll just wait and see. Take care.